To customize the lock screen on Motorola Moto G15, first we need to open a settings on our device. Scroll down looking for the display and home and lock screen, Select that and move to the lock screen options. Right here you'll be able to find all of the options regarding a lock screen, and you can customize them however you like. But there's one more thing that we can do. So let's go back from those settings and enter the wallpaper. In the wallpaper, we can go for wallpaper and style, and then you will see your lock screen. Right here, you can change the wallpaper for your lock screen, also adjust a few of the settings, and the more lock screen options allows you to find the same settings I shown you in the beginning. We can also adjust the colors and customize our clock on the lock screen. You can change the color for the clock and also adjust the size, how big the clock will appear. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.